As we've been driving through the back roads and everything here lately, a lot of this stuff has been accumulating. We've been seeing it fall and hit the windshield and so forth. But y'all take a look at this. Like, look, check out the edge of this driveway. This, my friends, is why we have crappy grass. I could almost make a pillow out of how much stuff is there. I mean, there's a little bit on this other side, but there's not that much and stuff you can see over here. But just stay tuned. We'll get this thing mowed. Here's your little back view for you. Mary's down there finishing up a few things on the edge and stuff down there. Like I said, we've just still got a little bit of trimming to do around the driveway, but we're grateful for the Bad Boy mowers. We're grateful for you know, the do's and don'ts, and you know, just blessed that the good Lord is letting us still do this for a living and making this efficient. So guys, I'm going to do some trimming. All right folks, as you've seen in the video, got this one cleaned up. We're fixing to move on to the next one stuff, but you can see still got a little bit of trimming to do, stuff around here, around the curves and whatnot, and get all that fixed up and stuff like it needs to be. But you can see out in the field area, the back is the same way. Everybody's got the dandelions this year. Everybody's got crappy grass. You know, we've had a lot of rain and stuff, which we're grateful and stuff for that. But at the same time, you know, whatever keeps the grass growing, you know, we mostly like to recommend everybody, you know, seeding and watering and putting nutrients down, fertilizer and whatnot, stuff like that. But you know, a lot of people right now, it's just, you know, it's not cost efficient for everybody, just due to the economic situation that we're going in. But you know, whatever we got to do to make the customer happy and stuff, that's what we're going to do. So on to the next one, guys, and we'll see you there.